Hello.
Hello. Good to
Good to see you again.
Welcome.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Please. Hello. How are you doing? Welcome.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes,
Welcome.
Thank you.
Good. Good. I mean, challenging as always in
Yeah.
Barcelona. Probably you know you've been around Balkans these days. And it's the moment when we need to solve the problems. Definitely. It's the process, definitely. Not easy process, and really, it is our only interest is the peace and stability. And we hope you had good meetings so far. You had
You're the second meeting actually.
here in Kosovo.
Yes.
Already.
We have things there as well, of course.